I'm gonna channel. I don't know what's going on. Padre Lucifer is here. Want me to call Benjamin. Didn't answer, so I need to channel them. What's going on? What's wrong? Let me wake up in the morning. Okay. Oh, it's a train. Okay. That's odd. Oops. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fuck. Okay, Michael. So, we're dealing about love here. Love. Okay, Father. Love. Libra's love, Venus love. Okay. Let's see. His love. To me. Hello. Listen. We don't blame here, okay? Oh, Michael is here. Fuck. The thing is, hello, I'm not gonna cry. My makeup. This is 39. 39. The only one not here is the heart. Hang on. It's the heart. It's because he knows that the heart is trying to be his. Actually, yeah, because I am the 9, he's the 7. And Michael is in the middleman. Also, I'm spirit. I'm the dark, I'm the light. I'm the color of my blood. Okay. He's got a problem. Like, this is couple, guys. This is couple. I see that before. I don't know who's this. I don't care either. I don't involve myself because I'm in beauty. What did Michael say? It's my playtime. I don't wanna have my wrinkle, anything like. I don't even wanna cry when Daddy Lucifer here. No, Daddy, I don't wanna cry. My makeup. Father Lucifer just said, call him. Okay, call him. What the heck is going on? Michael. That love. Look. The love. I'm the one and only, really? I'm flattered. Well, the thing is, sip. My mouth is sip. It's because I have a big responsibility. When I say execute the decision, you have to execute. When I say 1 day or 2 days, it need to be that day. No more than that. That's how the Mars. Okay? That's how the Mars do. Action. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. Love her. Love hurts. Love scars. Love wounds. In Mars. In a heart. What the fuck? Michael helping him. The problem is he's not listening. He's nagging. He's not listening. He said, Michael is. What the fuck? What the fuck? I don't want to cry, but I am his treasure. I am his. You know the very you know when you like something and you adore it, you treasure it like a precious. It's just like a pearl, like a, it's precious to you, and you don't wanna lose it. That's how he feel. That's how he feel. I'm precious. That's how precious I am. Precious, like diamond. Okay. 4-4 structure. What the fuck? Seriously. Hang on, Michael. I'm not gonna. I have enough. I need my beauty. Okay. Because this is the because. Oh, I hate this. I don't like crying. I am his strength, and I am his precious jewel. Precious. And this one, I'm the only one. I'm the only one give him a reason. No, not reason. How to say that? I'm the one. I'm pulling him and believing him that he is more than capable of whatever he wants. I'm the one. I'm the, let's say, catalyst of his life. Like, I show him the beauty of, okay, yeah. So it's because this flower, he bloom, just like a garden, like he blooming fresh flower, like you can adore. It's because he only see the happiness since I came to his life, okay? Then he see the beauty of the earth, because this is earth, and he see the beauty when I came to his life. Okay, thank you, Michael. When I came to his life, he see the beauty of, and I am his strength. His strength. Well, Michael, my strength, yes. But I am, see this? I am his strength. Look at that. See this? It's because I'm holding his heart. Really? So I carry his heart with me. Everything in my life torn upside down. What is that song? Every time I see you, my life. I didn't turn his life upside down. It's a destiny. Okay? We are the same catalyst. Well, we are. Okay, last deal. We're dealing about love here. Guys, you guys. a genuine love. It's not my fault. He's underneath. Tapok. Tapok. Michael. You have to help Michael. It's your child. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What you doing? Okay. Flower again. It's true. It's 5. It's the star. Oh my God. Yep. Yeah. He'd rather be losing anything, not me. Absolutely. Yeah. Because I am he's 7 and I am 27. So we complete our each other, you know. And the power of 3. Okay. And yeah, let's not forget we are the star, because Father Lucifer, the sun, Mother Lilith, the moon, and we are the star, morning star, Venus. So I am the shining. He's shining because I am precious. It will be dark without his strength. Yeah, that's what happened. Because I am his empress, his love, and we complete each other, the empress and the emperor. Ooh. The empress and the emperor, we complete each other life, okay, in the new cycle. Okay, Michael. Yeah. Past life. Yeah. That our treasure is we treasure the lesson we learn in this lifetime, that we found each other. That's the reason. It's a infinite, a generation, abundance of whatever abundant there is. He'd rather doesn't have any something to do with treasure, but I am his precious. His precious. He woke up in the name of love. Okay, in the name of love, guys. You guys, okay. You see, too much hard. Look, tahik. Okay, come on. Let's see my turn. Let's see what's my card doing. I call him up then. Tell him, Michael, tell to him that I'm gonna pull after I read. Hang on. You need to be ready that when I pull. Otherwise, my God, the baby. Daddy Saturn's baby gonna be. Okay, this one. Okay. What can I help him, Daddy? Four, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Flower. Good, it's because I don't use the diamond because it's harsh and the heart is too soft, so I'm the tree of life. Okay, fair enough. So, I'm the one how can I explain that? I'm the one who show him what he feel, what is love, what is true love. Oh, okay. Michael saying that Libra can remember the one that, you know, when I'm driving, and then the song in the phone, I want to know what love is, and then I'm holding his cheek. So Michael saying he remember, and he can feel my hand touching his cheek. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. That's the one. I'm the reason why he believed in love. And the reason for him to live and love again the earth. It's the reason, because I'm his strength. Okay, I show him what the beauty of life, love, like even in the darkness day of his life, I show him love. I show him life is good. He showed that he appreciate. He appreciate. Hang on, Michael. Okay. Michael want me to call up. Hang on. I need to finish. I don't want to cut it. He doesn't have a credit on his phone. Okay. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Impressive. Oh my God. Oh wow. Wow. Do you know what I can see here? It's all flower. Look, hang on. In his life path, his numerology, he's got 3, 5. He's got 3, 5 in his numerology, and there's 3, 5 here. And that 5 is here. See, I complete his life. See, his life happy again to live in the earth because he found love. He found the one love, and this one is me. His universe and his. Okay, Michael. Okay. So the new cycle, he wanna start his life with me. Blowing. Don't worry, cause Michael. Process. Okay, hang on, Michael. I'm almost done. Okay. I don't know why I feel that I'm anxious, like I feel I'm anxious, or is he crying? I feel like he's crying. Let's see. There he is. Again. Universe. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. The thing is, we complete each other. We what you call balance, like he balanced my mood. I admit that, yes, he's the reason. And the heart, like he's happy when he was with me, and his ultimate strength, he carry life because of me. Oh, okay, Michael, yeah. It's because I have the 3 and he's got the 2. So, okay. And he's the 7. And he's the Emperor, a strong structure. And I face the universe. It's only one heart here. So, he loved the essence of me. See that? It's not the money, it's not the wealth, it's not the rich. That's why he loves me now. It's my essence, my personality. Okay, Michael, I'm gonna call. Bye. And that's the reading for my love, Libra. He's straight, guys. He's how can you put it? Stress. He's very stressed.